Hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Adrian. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Here on this channel, we talk about health and everything that has to do with self-development. So today in this video, we're going to be talking about the 5 benefits of intermittent fasting. Now, for the sake of this video and everybody out there, I'm going to go ahead and call intermittent fasting IF. For some reason, I sometimes say intermediate fasting. Intermediate, like I have a lot of problems just saying that word, so it's just going to be IF. So if you guys are interested in seeing how IF could possibly benefit your life, then let's go right on into the video. So I'm going to go and just put this out there. I've been doing intermittent fasting for about 2 weeks now, and honestly, I've lost 4 pounds, and I feel so much better, in the mornings when I wake up and I'm not eating, which is kind of weird because you would think you'd feel better when you're eating. But I was really curious about this, and I wanted to see the benefits of what I'm getting off of this. And now, after my research on www.healthline.com, yes, it's healthline.com. I actually just had to quickly look at that because I didn't want to give you guys wrong information. So my benefit number 1 for intermediate fasting is that it can help you lose weight and reduce belly fat. Well, the thing is that with IF, it's going to help you not eat as much meals during your day, which means that you're not really taking in as much calories. And then number 2, my benefit number 2 on top of that is that it also helps with your metabolic rate. So another thing with you eating less meals during your day is that people who fast for only a short term, you don't even need to do it that long. People who fast end up getting a 3.6 to 14% increase in their metabolic rate, which means that they're taking out more calories than if they weren't fasting. So if you're gonna go ahead and do IF so that you can go ahead and lose body weight, it's really great because you're eating less meals during the day, so you're not taking as much calories. And then with a metabolic rate of, let's go ahead and say an average of 8% just in case, you may end up getting out more calories, so you're not taking in as much and you're pushing out more. So you're just pretty much going to end up losing a little bit more weight than you would if you're not doing fasting. So this is a way that you can in turn lose weight, which is my benefit number 1 to intermittent fasting. So my benefit number 2 for this video is that it could help reduce insulin resistance, which is lowering your risk for type 2 diabetes. Human studies have actually shown that people who are fasting have a reduction in blood sugar levels by 3% or by 6%. And then in the insulin resistance, it is 20 to 31%, which is a really great thing if you want to reduce your risk for type 2 diabetes. And that's my benefit number 2, is that it could help lower your insulin resistance and possibly help lower your risk for type 2 diabetes. So my benefit number 3 of IF is that it can help reduce your risk of cancer. So through my research on healthline.com, it states that because of the several benefits that IF has on the metabolic system, it can help prevent certain types of cancer. Just right now that these are in animal studies and not in human studies. But for human studies, what we have right now is that if you are currently going through chemotherapy, it might actually help you prevent some of the side effects that comes along with chemotherapy. So that is something that I would say that you should go ahead and consult with your doctor so that you could possibly prevent some of the side effects that go along with chemotherapy. Cancer being something that is just so horrible, and it should not be in this world at all. At least if you're going through, chemotherapy, IF is something that you should consider so that you could at least be a little bit happier than just. So I do recommend that, yes, you do talk with a healthcare professional instead of facing most of the side effects that chemotherapy has. So my benefit number 4 for IF is that it could help boost your brain function. Now again, back to the animal studies, IF has actually shown that in rats, it can increase the growth of new nerve cells, which can not only help with the function and focus of your brain, it also helps prevent strokes and brain damage for the animals in the study. But again, in the future, this is going to end up going to human studies. So I don't really know if it's going to have the same results, but it's not that far-fetched to think that it can end up boosting our brains by just having a little bit of IF in our life. So that's my benefit number 4, is that it can help boost brain function. And then my benefit number 5 to IF is that it may extend your lifespan. So again, another study with rats, because most of these it's what we have at the moment. So study with rats from healthline.com states that rats who had fasted and rats who did not fast, they put them into 2 groups. One group had rats that were fasting, another group had rats that weren't fasting. And they saw that rats who were fasting had an 83% increase in lifespan over the rats who did not fast. So they ended up dying a lot faster than rats who did fast. So that is actually a really dramatic improvement over, the rats who did not fast. Again, this is not a human study. It hasn't been done with humans, but it's not that far-fetched again because of the metabolic benefits that IF does give us. That doing IF in turn can end up helping you have a longer lifespan. So there you have it, guys. Those are my 5 benefits to IF. If you have any benefits of your own that I may have not mentioned in this video, please comment them down below so that we could have a discussion going and everyone could benefit from them. If you want to go ahead and do this, but you're not sure if you can, please consult a healthcare professional before, doing IF, because you may not be able to go long periods of time without eating. Personally, for me, I do a 8 to 16 fast. I think it's 16 to 8. I don't really know. I only eat 8 hours in the day, and then 16 hours I don't eat. I might go a little bit more into fasting in a later video. I'm not really sure. And with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.